Hey guys, welcome back to VBA Tutorial with an Excel. So in today's chapter, what I will demonstrate is how to declare and use variables using Visual Basic for applications. So without wasting any further time, as you can see, I've got an Excel workbook opened up. Let's jump down to the Developers tab, and you can click on Visual Basic. Um, so variables are something that are used to pass values assigned to those variables. So um, let's start off with a string. So a string is basically a variable defined to hold a text type of entry. So for example, if I have to define a variable, I can write dim, and I can use any word that I'd like. So for example, dim example as string. Now what we've defined is example as string. Now we can assign something to the string example. So example is equal to, in quotes, this is our first variable, and I can send this value by on range A1. So what this would do is this would assign the value of this is our first variable to example, and in range A1 of this workbook we will paste the value that is held within this example. So let's try clicking on run sub. Yep, so as we can see, we've got our outcome right here that says this is our first variable. So what we basically did was we passed the value to the variable, and then to the cell we referred it directly via the variable. Perhaps we've got a final outcome right here. Similarly, we have a few variables dedicated to numeric values. So for example, dim I as integer. Sorry, you'd have to write it this way. Alternatively, if you'd like to continue it on the same line, you can just continue I as integer. Now another classic example to this would be I is equal to 20. For example, let's say range A2 dot value is equal to I. So again, let's give it a shot, and as we can see, we've again got our output, which is almost similar. The only difference is we've got the value of I displaying right here. So this is basically how we declare a variable and pass values to it, and accordingly react as per our requirements. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll be doing a lesson on bits soon, because it's extremely important for us to know how our computer reads and responds to numbers. So anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.